This video blog is regarding another silly patent for Silly Patents Week, and it's an apparatus for simulating a high five motion. This is actually a very strange one, given that this particular apparatus for simulating high five motion is based on the mechanism to move the arm in such a way that it imitates a high five. And so let's assess whether or not this is truly a valid patent. Let's think about it. So, is this something that's novel? I would argue that it's not, because surely someone in the past has come up with some way to simulate this movement in living and non-living creatures or items. And furthermore, the concept of a high five isn't entirely new. Given that this patent was filed in 1994, we are certain that it wasn't something that was entirely new at the time. The second piece is this something that's obvious? Well, I would say that it's pretty obvious because, let's say in the case that it's used for something such as, someone missing an arm or used to imitate arm motion, it would be pretty obvious that these would be the mechanics to simulate a high five. And now we wonder, is this a valid patent? Well, given that it's not for any useful means, other than perhaps if someone had a paralyzed arm and they needed to use this particular motion in the amount of degrees, it still wouldn't be useful as a replacement arm or anything, given that its only function would be to simulate the high five. And on that basis, I would say that it's not a valid patent, and it's because it's not something that offers any of the novel ideas, and it's certainly not something that's non-obvious.